Whether you're a lover of national touring bands, or you like to tuck yourself into a trendy coffee shop to hear up-and-coming acts, Los Angeles shares its music scene with you. Check out Hollywood Bowl, an amphitheater located in the Hollywood Hills, to enjoy touring acts like the Jonas Brothers, Dead and Company, and Steely Dan. Rated one of the top 10 outdoor music venues by Rolling Stone magazine, this is the place to go. Take in a symphony performance from the LA Philharmonic Group at the Walt Disney Concert Hall. And, the Greek Theater, an LA icon, hosts both national acts and cover bands. However, if an intimate setting is more your jam, visit the Hotel Cafe to see acoustic performers who are new on the scene. 1. Things to consider: if you're attending an outdoor concert at Hollywood Bowl, come prepared with layers of clothing, in case it gets cold. Also, choose seats close to an aisle, so you can easily get in and out.